Hello, welcome to today's forecast. Going to kick off with dollar Swiss. I did sell below here, and we've cut the position on a break back inside Monday's range, which I mentioned yesterday. We get back out if we got a break back inside. So just going with what the market's telling me at the minute, was expecting a pullback from previous Monday's levels. You can see the support and resistance, so I did expect a little bit of a bounce here, so waiting to see if this bounce turns. I have no problems cutting positions once we bounce against this, and wait to get back in. So this overall downtrend is very much intact. There's no break in market structure, but what I'm looking for is if we can break back below Monday's low, get something like that, then I'm on board again. But for the moment, I'm just seeing where this dollar Swiss ends up. So I'm out of dollar Swiss, but looking to get back in. If we go and see the weekly time frame, I can show you the higher time frame levels. So bearish from here, and hoping for a little bit more of a push down. Anything under this level, I'll be selling. Only interested in buying if we get above that level. So all quite simple, really. Pound yen, I've sold as per the video yesterday. You can see Monday's low acting as support, and then you see on Tuesday it comes down and tests it. So support should turn to resistance, H1 close, and we also got a retest, and expecting these lows to go here. Well, looking for that target, but I'll also leave it open to Friday close, but probably take most of the trade off at around these previous weekly lows. So all quite simple. Again, if we start breaking back inside, I will look to cut the position. No problems doing that. No problems with adapting to what price is doing and what price is telling me. We go to the weekly time frame. You can see the levels that I'm looking at. So it's just basically this support and resistance level. So we've come up, we've tagged this area. So expecting a little bit of a sell-off. Well, that's where I'm getting my bias from anyway, just using the levels and then using what price in the lower time frames is telling me. If we go out to pound Swissy, weekly time frame as well, so you have this zone of support should turn to resistance. We came inside that zone and looking for a little bit of a pullback. This is the weekly chart, so I go down into H1, see if we can get any breakdown. First thing you notice is we have previous weekly highs. You can see acting as a little bit of resistance here, resistance turn to support, and as long as we stay below here, that should be good for a short. But I'm actually placing orders at Monday's low, so looking for a little bit more confirmation around this level with this support here, and it's just below Monday's low. So if we can get a break below that, H1 close, and that should be enough to send this lower, hopefully. So we'll see what happens. Have a few more trades on with the group, with the strategies, mechanical strategy, etc. So go leave that for today. Just keep it quite simple and just a few instruments that I'm looking at. So wishing you all the best for the rest of the day and the rest of the week.